Hey y'all, this is BG Codes and I am bradgarropy. I'm not even sure if the stream is working this morning. YouTube and OBS were like giving me fits. But I think we're okay. And if that's the case, we're going to get to work on just wrapping up the password reset token stuff. There's only really one more thing that I need to do, and that's handling expired tokens, or just tokens sitting in the database not doing anything. And we're just going to make a little script. And actually, it's not going to be a script. It's going to be like a helper in the model that goes through, looks at all the tokens, and gets rid of the ones that are expired, essentially. It's only a 15-minute expiration because, look, if you're resetting your password, you should be doing it right now. So we're just going to see if we can make a Prisma query that grabs those and wipe them all out. Let's get going. Actually, first, I'm going to make sure... Okay, great. I'm watching myself on YouTube. Everything seems good. Like I said, it was being really weird this morning. All right, to the coding. Let's go. Happy Monday, by the way. I seem to be repping Adobe today. Adobe shirt, Adobe hackathon cup. I don't know. No hat. I got a haircut. And it was just easy to do my hair. I feel like I'm still waking up, adjusting to the morning. Okay. So, basically in our reset tokens model, which I'm going to start calling these models. Let's do that right now. I'm going to make a new folder in source called models. And I want to move all of our like database helper stuff in there. So we've got our user and our reset token. And I'm sure that's going to change like a bunch of update paths. Yeah, look at that. It's okay. Let's make sure everything still works. Oh my God, what happened? Oh my God. Quit. Clear. Oh my God, close it. Make a new one. Okay, we're all still passing. Cool. All right. Let's commit that. Yeah, just been thinking, I don't think the helpers for those belong in a utils directory. That seems too generic. Like, these are models. This is how we access the database and perform actions there. That's how I want to do it. Okay, and in that case, now we don't want to delete a specific token. We want to say delete expired reset tokens. Okay, Copilot, take the wheel. What does this return? It's a batch payload. I don't know what that means. The number. I mean, honestly, this seems right. So let's see if it works. I might just like update the seed script really quick. No, I want to be more specific about this. Because create reset token will create a bunch of tokens that expire in 15 minutes. Well, okay. Let's just do a lot of them. And then we'll make sure this doesn't delete them. So we'll seed it, npm run db reset. Yep. Check out our database. We have 11 reset tokens. They should be expiring in the future. So now if we say, oh, we need kind of like a script for this. Then we'll just run this script. Deleted 0 reset tokens. That makes sense. We'll do 10, and now we'll bring in the DB, and we'll say DB dot reset token dot. Can I do a create many? Sure. Okay, and inside of here, we have many of these things. The token doesn't matter. The user ID doesn't matter. It's a 1. The token is reset token. It doesn't matter. Sure, something in the past. It doesn't matter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. We'll run the seed again. So we should have 50. We should have an error occurred. Why? Token is unique? Oh, bro. I suppose it has to be. Yeah. Is this a problem? No, because the token, if we look on create, The token is a random UUID, and then we hash it. The hashing is 1-to-1, but the random UUID is random, so we should be fine there. Let's take care of this though. And we'll say token is equal to a random UUID, of which we can import from node crypto. And now we should be good to go. Okay, so we should have 15. 10 of which are not expired, and 10 of which are, or 5 of which are. So we deleted 5 expired tokens. Beautiful. And then I don't want to wait this long, but in 15 minutes, these will be expired. But I don't want to wait that long. Could we... Can I create this for like 2 minutes into the future? So these are expired. What if we did... minutes, and we'll run the reset script, and then we'll run the cleanup script. This should clean up 5. And then in 2 minutes it should clean up the other one. We still have 1. We'll do it again. This will do it in 1 minute. So we just clean up 5. And then in a minute, it'll clean up the other one. I knew there was a way back in the day to like run a command every second. Run the npx tsx source scripts cleanup reset tokens ts command every second. Oh, no, I thought wasn't there a way to do this with a CLI tool called watch or something? Not like a bash script. I used to use this back at Dell when I would like poll for the... Yeah, that one. Run it. Command not found. Yeah, that's why. That's okay. Okay, it's been about a minute. We deleted it. Great. Okay, I think this is working as expected. I think we're good to go. I think we're good to go. This just in. My wife likes my hair this morning. I told you I did it instead of wearing a hat. Okay, so this is all working. We can get rid of the changes to the seed. I don't want to seed reset tokens. What do we want to call? Ah, shoot. You know what? I kind of wanted the changes to this seed. Thank you. So we can work on this script a little bit. So const count I like that. Where expires at is less than or equal to now. Let's just do less than. Deleted count.count. Classic. What do I want to call this? Clean up or delete? Clean up reset tokens. Delete expired reset tokens. Let's just keep it one-to-one with the damn it. There. And now we change the name. Delete expired reset tokens. Deleting expired reset tokens. Deleted 5 expired reset tokens. Okay, cool. I like that. We're not going to write any tests for this script. It's just we're going to have to run this on a cron at some point. It would kind of make sense to run it at the same rate of the expiration timeline, so 15 minutes, or we could just do it every day. We're probably not going to have any, to be honest. But that's okay. Like, we're building in everything we're going to need. And yes, okay, I was thinking about this. This does need to be unique. Okay. And we ought to write a test for that. I suppose it's kind of hard to test unless we seed the database, which I kind of don't want to get into. So this test is going to be kind of a shitty test. Takes no arguments. And let's run the test. Okay. Yeah, shitty test. I know. But I don't want to go through the process of seeding everything just yet. I still have things I need to figure out with end-to-end testing before that happens. You know what? I haven't had enough people join these streams, and I haven't been on Twitter in a while. I'm just gonna post it on Twitter, and we'll see what happens. Expired password reset tokens. There. You know what? Twitter is a wreck. But we did it. Maybe we'll get some viewers in here. You know what I'm saying? A couple of you stopped by this morning. All right. Forgot password. Kind of a big PR. I haven't even committed this yet. Okay, let's get rid of the seed. And I'll say add, delete, expired, reset, tokens, helper. And then create, delete, expired, reset, tokens, script. That'll be run on a cron. We need to push that. Right. Okay, and now we'll see how this goes. Look at that. I posted on Twitter. Somebody's already in here. Say what's up in the chat if you joined. We're just waiting on our CI to pass for our forgot password flows. This morning I just implemented the cleanup expired password token script. Uh-oh. Oh. Linting failed. Oh, yeah, I renamed some things. That's why. I moved, I made a models folder. I don't know what y'all think of this, but anything that like kind of, holy shit, what is that? Sweet. Okay. So we need to ignore playwright report. So it's get ignored. Yes. Under test, coverage, test result, playwright report. Coverage, test results, playwright report. Okay. But we need that to be ESLint ignored. which means I need to bump this package. Let me make a to-do about that. Export default. There should be a way well, I don't want to extend it right here. This needs to be ignored everywhere. So I'll fix it. Like proper. And then fix sort imports. Okay. All right, we'll go back. I'm looking forward to changing these jobs to workflows, or I always forget the naming convention because I think the fact that I have style and then style is weird. Like the name of style should be like lint and format, which is like the process that we're running. And then lint and format has two steps, lint and format. So that way you don't have like this duplication of naming, like test and test, right? So this should just be named end-to-end test or unit test. And it does one thing, and then you can run them all in parallel. And I think that's what like one of the next changes I want to make. And maybe it's smart to invest in that stuff early. Because right now I'm waiting a long time for end-to-end tests, I think. Yeah, and it could have been running in parallel. And I still feel like this should be cached. But Playwright's like, no, you shouldn't cache it. What if it updates? Cool. Code gov is done. Be good to go. Okay. Oh, right. And now I need to do all of the, like the change log, the... Oh, this is 008. Right, just to make sure. The last release was 007. And then change log. So what did we like actually do in this PR? This is all of the reset stuff, mock stuff, tests. Thanks for interacting with that. Oh, the actual update password. The forgot route. Okay. The reset route. And sign in got changed. Oh, to include forgot password. Yeah, I mean, this is a lot. It's a full feature change here. So then in 008, we're just going to say add forgot password flow. Include add delete expired reset tokens script, right? Because I think that's kind of like important to call out that it exists. Okay. There. After the CI finishes, I'm going to just like take a good look at everything and make sure. Okay, so we're ignoring the dev SQLite database. We're making sure to ignore test results. Oh, shoot. We didn't finish updating the change log. The migration is what it is. Okay, here we link the reset token and then we add in the reset token. Updated the import path of that, no problem. Mock reset token data. Tests. Let's refresh. Changelog should be good to go now. Okay, so we get a token where we're using hex, so this is a string. To create one, we use a random UUID so that they don't collide. Again, hash it. You can delete a single token. And you can delete all expired tokens. Okay, that's good. And then users got a new update password method. I'm trying to make the model helpers not just be like create, read, update, delete. Like do a little bit more than that. Okay, we added new routes for, I'm calling it forgot and reset. And maybe forgot will be two separate routes. I mean, you know, if somebody wants to reset their password explicitly, maybe we just make a reset route. Here's the forgot route. We'll start with a markup. Forgot password. all you do is do your email and click reset, and then it runs the action, which just grabs the user, makes sure it exists, and it creates a reset token and returns it. If there's a token, boom, we provide the link. Okay, that's good. And then there's a reset route where, okay, you've requested the reset. Oh, I hate. Let's fix that. This thing. They do that. Oh, and is that why this was broken the whole time? The auto formatting? Stupid. Okay, this is the sign in. Now the sign in page has a link to forgot password. That's perfect. There's our new script where we delete the expired reset tokens. Okay, again, test. User gets a reset password command. Tons of checks. So, get the reset token. Make sure it exists. Make sure it's not expired. If it is expired, delete it. Make sure the user exists. Make sure the passwords match. Update the password. Delete the reset token. Sign in. I wonder if this sign in could be a create session. So that way we eliminate that circular dependency. Because what does sign in do for us? It checks if the passwords match. Do we already have a password here? No. Oh, we do. I don't know. I like the security there, to be honest. Okay, there. That fixed the formatting there. We're going to leave this. Updated VI to VTest. Change the location of that. Change the location of that. And I like these constants. I can just like understand that a little bit better. All right, cool. That's everything. CI done? Yep, we're good. V008 is going out. Branch will delete itself. There we go. And now we can release V008 with the forgot password flow. Done. Go to my reminders. I'm going to mark this off. Man, the next thing on my list is all like the actual user specific data stuff, but I feel like I should take a minute and fix maybe some of the CI stuff or some of the little things. Wait, let me go to Discord. I just finished one of my goals for the week, which was getting password reset done. Mark that off. Let's pivot and go to that other library change that I need to make. So this was in my ESLint config. Oh, and here we'll run git bd so we can go back to the main and delete everything else. Okay, cool. So where's our config? It's here. Build coverage node modules. So what else are we ignoring? This was in Playwright somewhere. Playwright report. And we also want to ignore test results. Hash build public slash build. This is dependencies. And we'll just order this the same. Dependencies, build, test. Okay. Is there like a main exports index? Yeah. Okay. So in order to test this, we'll go to our, if I can type, package JSON. We'll go to ESLint config. And we will load this from, go up, go into ESLint config. Okay. And then we'll run an npm install. Now this is going to install this from my file system. Npm install from local file. Come on. Here, let's do that. Okay, I was close with that file syntax. All right, and then we'll run lint eslint command not found. Why not? Do I not have eslint installed? Come on. What? Okay. And what if I take this out, right? I just want to check. If I take that out, then I do it over again, install it again. It's going to complain. Yeah. Okay. What changed? That seems so weird. Do I have ESLint listed as like a peer dependency or something? Ooh, let's update to 2025. It's listed as a dependency. Okay, and what kind of release is this going to be? Is it a kind of a bug fix? Okay, and so now we are ignoring. And so what do we add? Build coverage node modules. Okay, let's preview this. Does that look like crap? I don't know. Ignore additional. Build coverage node modules. Build. Okay, so this is what we ignored. Let me just check the docs. What about nested directories? Okay, I think we're good. Okay, so this, oops, this is not on main. Unstage that. Git, checkout, dash v, ignore. Okay, and I think I'm trying to make the pull request. Yeah. I'll call it a bug. That should have been ignored. That version isn't right. This is 3.1.1 and the changelog had 3.1.0. Okay, that seems to work. I want to break this on purpose. Undo playwright report. Yeah, now there's an issue there. What if I move that under there? And reloaded. Yeah, still, that's a problem. Okay. Same thing with, I want to call this test results. Reload. Those should both be failures now. Yeah. And I'll also call this coverage because I just want to make sure. Right. I feel confident in that. We have no GitHub actions in here? Huh. All right, let's double check. I always like to just view these to make sure it looks good. Yeah, that looks good. Oh, shoot. No, I gotta pull. There it is. Okay. I thought I closed it. Take the license. Bump the version. Other test files. And then this is the actual change. Build coverage node modules. Build coverage node modules. But we added cache public build the test ones. All right. I think we're good. Again, all my libraries and stuff, I want to just get a little more professional. Like the PRs can have funny names, but I want the releases to make sense. Because people don't want to like wade through this. They just want to see the numbers. And which release was this? 311? 311. Yeah, so starting from here onwards, we're just going to go like that. So it's more clear. Now we go back to releases. Yeah, 311. Now we should have an action running. This is going to get published to NPM, and then we can update it in my project. Okay, released. And so now over here, let's roll everything back. NPM outdated, and we should get, holy shit. I just started this project and all this stuff is outdated. In a couple seconds, we should get at bradgarropy ESLint config in that list. Just got the email saying it was published. All right, show me what's outdated. There it is, ESLint config. So we can say npm i-d bradgarropy ESLint config at latest. Cool, and now we do npm run lint, and we should not have problems in the playwright directory. Bam. That went well. Sometimes that kind of shit is nerve-wracking. Yeah, we're just gonna push this to main. Yeah, who cares? Update ESLint config. Yeah. Okay. That reminder can go away. Right. Well, this has been a pretty successful coding morning. We got the entire forgot password flow done, merged. We updated another package of mine. And now we're set up for the rest of the week where we're going to start working on, I can't decide, a couple cleanup tasks around GitHub Actions or doing the actual like creation of user data. For this app, I think it's just going to be like a text area, a note or something, and then users can create notes, look at their notes, edit their notes, whatever. Really bare bones. Just the idea is that we need one piece of data associated with a user so that we can set up those like relations and security models so that we can build on that in future apps. Cool. That was a good one. I will catch y'all tonight, tomorrow, see, and we'll keep making progress. See you in the next one. Peace.